Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a part 2 on how I made my Android phone. All the parts used in this video are bought from offline. You can buy them also on online. The total price is around 5,000 rupees. You'll not go beyond that. So let's happen. So guys, I have upgraded to my camera into 4K resolution and converted into 1080p so that you can see 4K in 1080p resolution. So these are the products you need. So guys, please be careful with battery and motherboard. Any wrong connection can lead to an explosion. This is the motherboard. This is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 processor. Next is the display. It contains the speaker and the power supply protector. And this is the display itself. It's a 720p display. Okay, let us remove that tempered glass protection using this thing. Guys, do not use your hands because they might damage your fingers or any chip will insert your finger. I can't get them. Try hard. Try not to break that glass. Gotcha. There is the glass. Let me safely remove it away or someone's leg will be out of the. You can see this crystal clear display. It's a new one. Motherboard is an old one, and this is a kit of the cables, the power supply, the screws, everything like that. It is 220k. I don't know what's that mean. Okay, this is the power supply. It contains the micro USB 2.0 port. It supports fast charging 3.0 Qualcomm fast charge. These are the camera, front facing and back camera. It is 4 and 8 megapixels. This is the battery. This can explode. I have an elite polymer battery right now. It's 2300 and something mAh. Now let's move on to its building. So guys, and this is pretty complicated because I need to record and at the same time I also need to build this phone. Okay, I've connected it up. Guys, I forgot to connect the camera. We'll be connecting it in a moment. I totally forgot it while doing the video. You see, I connected that wire right there. And that is the supply from the motherboard to the power supply. Let's actually don't misconnect it. It's the thing which causes the explosion and the motherboard damages. Do it carefully. Now this is the second where I forgot to put the camera. I'm trying hard to put that wire underneath there. Now I'll put the camera. The camera right there. Click it in. Now the front facing camera. Okay, that's clicked in. Okay, now let me tuck in that wire into under of that plastic thing. You can do it. Actually, did you like my new camera look? Comment me down. Now, after that is done, screw everything in place. Let me pick up some screws and show you where does it. Now let me pick up my toolkit screwdriver. Hey, that might be perfect. Yeah. Okay, yes, it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, now let's screw all that things up. After screwing, I'll show you where and all the screw comes so that you can screw them pretty quickly and you know where does the screw come so you can screw them. And guys, I don't force anything to do. It's just for educational purpose. And don't forget that this is not how to make an Android phone, this is how I made an Android phone. Now you can see all of the screws down there. I'm showing all of them. Now this is the power supply. It is very thin. It is very fragile, guys. Be gentle with it. It's very fragile. Be careful with it. You can see, connect it upside down and place it down there. Tuck in those two wires from down there. I'll show you in a jiffy. You can see that cylindrical thing, that round thing. Plug it in there. Okay, I have plugged it up. Now actually, guys, your phone will be actually working. Let's screw that power supply on there. Actually, guys, in order to fulfill all my videos, I will be posting regularly because I did not post for 2 weeks. Now let me just screw that power supply on there. That's done. Now your phone will be working. Let's check it up. I think the battery has a bit of charge in it. Okay, this is the speaker thing. You can screw all of them in. Okay, now just connect the display, the power button, and the display digitalizing. Okay guys, now this is the done. Your smartphone is done. Let's plug it in and check if it is working. Yeah, it is working. The display is good, the battery is powerful, the motherboard is powered. The motherboard will support any kind of Android version. Now let's plug in that protective cover around there. Actually, I don't have any IMEI number on it. I must find it out. Okay guys, now our Android phone is ready. Put on the battery, put on the back cover, and there you go, your Android phone. So that is it guys. Now let's install an Android OS on it. Let's install an OS, maybe Recorrection Remix. If any background noise, sorry guys. Now you can see there is no OS installed in it. Let's go down, search for Recorrection Remix and install it up. Guys, you should be careful while flashing the ROM because if anything goes wrong, the motherboard will completely correct. Now that is done. Let's power off the system and let's turn it on. Hey, turn on quickly. Oops. Boot loop. Taking quite a while. There you go, the Recorrection Remix logo. The device is quite fast. Oh, there we go, it booted up. You can see the device is super smooth to run. It does not lag. I guarantee you it will lag after some time. Every device hangs after a while. This will also. But right now it's a fresh device, it will not hang. You can see it is powered by Android 7.1.2 Nougat, which is an outdated version right now. So that was it guys. Thanks for watching and see you there.